Hey, what's up, Pundi X holder? Today video is going to be very special for Pundi X holder. This is absolutely a very informative video gone. So please, I request you to, before I get started this video, please subscribe to this channel. If you subscribe this channel, then I inform you, then I give you, I upload you every time, every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrency. So this is absolutely good channel if you are a holder of crypto, any crypto. So this is absolutely good channel for you. So let's get started this brand video. This is live price prediction of Pundi X, guys. First of all, I gotta show you the last 1 hour result to what's going on in the last 1 hour. Okay, this is last 1 hour result. You can see here the chant is plus 0.03% going up. So this is absolutely a good chant. You can see here absolutely good chant. This is small chant, but absolutely this is a good chant. So this is absolutely good jump. You can see here the latest price as 0.00723 is the latest price of Pundi X. You can see here in the graph result, absolutely they can go very possibly. You can see here absolutely a small jumping, absolutely it's gonna go. But as you can see here, they can starting dumping sometime, but again starting jumping. So this is absolutely a good and very fastest cryptocurrencies. So let's check it out the last 24-hour result, 1 day result. Then we decide to, this is a selling time, this is the buying time, what's going on. Okay guys, so at this time, if you can see here the result as in the negative, you can see here this is minus 3.73%, and all cryptocurrencies as goes down. So this is one big reason to, this is the start of month, and I hope it's the mid of month they can change, mid of month they can change it easily. They can go on positive, they can starting jumping absolutely like a rocket, they can go absolutely. So let's check it out the last 7 days, guys. The result, this is absolutely gone wrong, and then we decide to absolutely, this is buying time, selling time, what's going on. Okay, so guys, this time if you can see here the 7 days result absolutely and the negative. So this is very bad news for Pundi X holder, but I hope in upcoming days they can go on absolutely, they can start jumping absolutely. Minus 2.16% they can go on down, and last 7 day, oh my goodness, absolutely this is bad. But if you can see here the price is absolutely going up. So plus 0.007 US dollar as the latest price. This is absolutely gone after totally 100, I think 0.00 they can go on absolutely up. So this is absolutely good for all Pundi X holders. So Pundi X holder, this is I think just buying time absolutely. I hope my expectation is that, I hope my expectation to they can cross 1 US dollar just and at the mid of this month. So what you say, please share your opinion to this is selling time or buying time. My opinion is that to this is buying time, because I know they can upcoming days they can go on up absolutely. So what's your opinion? Please share it in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you need this type more videos.